Using cold press watercolour paper, 300 grams today, and using Kuretake paints in shades of green and a greeny blue. I'm just painting tree shapes of different sizes onto the page, layering them on top and in between each other, not worrying if they sort of bleed into one another. This will be sorted out later on when I've got a smaller paintbrush. I'll define all of the edges. So just continue, fill the space up until you're happy with how your page is looking. Once that's done, what you need to do is just let it dry. Once it's dry, grab a smaller brush and start putting in some branches. So putting these on all the trees, I'm using the darkest Kuretake green that I've got. It's like a greeny blue. Putting in the branches to all the trees, so basically using this fine brush, just using the tip, real small amount of pressure, and just dragging the paint out from the centre of the tree trunk. Complete this on all of your trees. You'll need to define some of the areas where you can see the watercolour has run, as you can see here, and then you can see the trees as individuals instead of a mass shape. Complete that and continue to finish off the remaining trees with their branches. Once that's done, you need to use different strokes to represent leaves. So each tree will have slightly different leaf shapes, and you'll be using the one brush, the smaller brush, and using the tip and sometimes the side of varying pressures to input some strokes onto the page. Moving the brush, putting it on its side on occasions, and you will find that they would just look slightly different. There won't be any major difference, but there'll just be some interest, just enough so that your eye moves around the page. Add some embellishments with a gold pen. I'm using a Faber-and-Castell gold metallic pen here. Outline the side of your page, and that will give a lovely clean border. Peel away the tape, and then it will reveal your lovely watercolour abstract forest with gold detail. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.